Okay guys, today we're going to make some little starfish and sea glass agate dangle bead earrings with silver findings. First we're going to start with a 40mm eye pin. I've chosen 6mm silver little 5-petal bead caps to kind of encompass the frosted sea glass bead. That's an 8mm. And then we'll put another one of these little bead caps on. And then I've got just a silver simple disc. That there is a 6mm. And then we're going to put another of the little 6mm bead caps on. And then this here is a banded, frosted, kind of dragon vein agate in a teal turquoise color. One of our popular beads. They're very pretty. And then I'm going to put another, oops, sorry about that. I'm going to put another one of these 6mm bead caps on. And then we're going to go ahead and put one more of these 6mm disc beads. And then I've got a small 4mm frosted teal sea glass bead. And then we're going to top that off with a 3mm, just a basic silver round bead. Let's see if I can find the hole. There we go. So you've got some silver in there, gives it a little sparkle, a little shine. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the eye hole. And there's your dangle part right there. Then next, I'm going to go with the layout of my flow of my earring. So I'm going to attach a charm with a jump ring, which means that the bottom eye hole and the eye hole on my charm need to face the same direction, because the jump ring is going to face the opposite direction. So when I do that and I see that, I know that with my earring it's going to hang this way, and my jump ring is actually going to be flush, that you'll actually see the whole round part of the jump ring, which means my eye hole on the top needs to face the opposite direction of the eye hole on the bottom. So to do that, I take my pliers and I adjust it just enough so that when I lay it out, when this is this way, I see the eye pin. If I turn it, and of course I got a little bit crooked there, apologize for that, I see that, then that faces the opposite direction. So now that we have the layout of our eye pin correct, then we're going to take, these are 5mm silver plated brass jump rings. These are 0.8s, which are 20 gauge. Any bigger, and a lot of times, oops, you'll struggle with getting them through your eye holes, especially on earring findings small like these lever backs. But I'm going to take my charm and I'm going to attach it to the bottom. And at this point, you don't have to worry so much about which way your charm is facing, because that's going to come in time when you attach it to the earring. And make sure that's flush. So there's our charm attached to our earring. So you'll see the eye pin follows the same direction, and then we're straight up there. So now this is when you have to pay attention to which way your earring is going to lay when you attach it to the jump ring, based on your position of attaching your jump ring onto your eye hole. So what we're going to do, I have that backwards. We're going to go in from, sorry about that, from the front. So we want to dangle our charm, and I'm going to go in this way. So now you can see the flow of our earring, and you can see the jump ring right there. So I'm going to grab my earring and I'm going to fix it so that this is how it would hang off the earlobe. So if I want it to hang like that on my charm, I slide it right on just like that. Then we close that jump ring. And then when I turn my earring, you'll see the earring flows with the jump ring, with the eye pin down to the jump ring, down to the charm. So there you have cute, adorable earrings. And here's my cheat earring I like to use these. Makes it easier. Let's move these down a little bit. And there you go. Simple starfish, sea glass, and agate silver dangle earrings. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm working hard to get more videos up. Thank you.